Alright, so today we're going to be doing, what the fuck am I doing? We're doing brakes and rotors and rear wheel bearings on my 06 Monte Carlo SS. Got some parts from Detroit Axle, because my buddy Joey, who's working on the car, he actually recommended them, so we're going to try these out. And they're actually a pretty good price, considering what I was seeing online. Detroit Axle has some really good prices. It actually came in a package, so I'm going to open these for you guys. And opening the box here, we have Detroit Axle brake pads. These are the rear drilled and slotted rotors, and these are, I don't know what these are. Let me see what's going on in here. Oh, they sent grease? Oh, they got sent brake cleaner too? Okay.
Hey, nice.
Oh shit, they sent brake cleaner.
It's like a whole ass kit.
And wow, it definitely is.
There's my matey.
They sent all of this brake cleaner and DOT3 brake fluid. That's crazy because I didn't know they were gonna send that. I guess that just kind of comes into the kit. I had no idea. So we got brake cleaner, then we got some braking fluid. With the rear rotors. I'm guessing these are the wheel bearings. And they pack these boxes so tight. Alright, so yeah, we have the rear wheel bearings with the sensor on there. So yeah, gonna be, yep, sensor on there. Yeah, so we have rear pads, wheel bearings, got some brake pads. We'll be doing this on the 06 Monte Carlo SS. It's never been done on this car before, so it's time for a little upgrade. The last ones you did were shredded on here. When you put them on the fucking, when I see on their Snapchat, that shit was shredded.
Yeah, they were horrible.
That was real bad. I mean, I knew they were kind of bad, but I didn't know they were that bad. But, yeah. Since...
Real bad when they pop it off.
You think so?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I can already tell.
Yeah, since we got this, you know, we're doing brakes and rotors, I figured we might as well throw the wheel bearings on there just to be safe. We got some engine problems. So after this, we'll be doing a full tune-up, and then from there, we'll start adding a few performance parts and redoing some other stuff. But right now, we're just trying to do basic maintenance because the car is a 2007. It's about over a decade old, or 2 decades at this point. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Here we go. So here we got the first wheel off. Oh my god, look at these pads. Yeah, so these pads are destroyed. They're gone. There's nothing there. Holy crap, dude. Look at the rotor. Yeah, these are completely gone. So this is a much needed upgrade right now. The suspension is kind of shot, but we're going to be doing air suspension later on. So we're not going to worry about that right now. We just want to focus on brakes, rotors, and these wheel bearings. But these are looking really, really choppy. Like, oh my god, they're just gone. That's crazy. How's that side looking?
Oh, this side's so much better.
Is it really?
Yeah. The rotor's still good. But the pad is definitely like super low. But
yeah, I don't remember them being this bad. This is what happens when you got more than one car. Because I don't remember them being this bad, but I mean,
that side was real bad.
Yeah, that side was eating away. And again, everything's pretty much rusted down here. So first, I had EBC brake pads on here and EBC rotors, which is meant more for European cars. But I just put them on here to try them out. They lasted pretty good up until now. Honestly, I haven't done brakes and rotors in probably about, I want to say, a year and a half. So yeah, it's been a while, but they've held up for the most part. But as you can see, these suspension parts are pretty all rusted. We're gonna be doing that later on, but for now, like I said, we just want to do maintenance. Get these brake pads and rotors and wheel bearings off of here, and we'll come back and do suspension maybe later on in the summer once we get some other things going on.
Nothing. This one was worse though. Oh.
Let me give you guys a close up of these brake pads, because these brake pads are shot. No meat on these bones whatsoever. There's nothing here.
Nada.
That's crazy. I don't know, when was the last time I did brakes and rotors on here? I don't think it's been that long, but damn. That's crazy. I don't even drive this car that much. What the fuck? There you see. It's the process, we getting there. Rotors are sharp. I should have did front rotors.
We just did pads, right?
So we just did pads and the wheel bearings, but I think in a little bit I'm gonna get some rotors truthfully, just to be safe. I'm gonna end up doing those CV axles.
Yeah.
Might as well.
Yeah, because that one CV axle, I'm pretty sure I worked it. I had to heat it up so hot because it was so seized to that wheel bearing.
Yeah. I'm gonna do 2 of those.
So when you're driving, you'll notice it on the highway. You'll hear it, like you'll feel it kind of like womp 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 on that side at least.
I'm gonna do some of those. That side's pretty good. Both sides. Alright, so we now have the driver's side rear rotor, and as you can see, it is eaten. The pads ate these things alive. There's nothing left really. Like I said, I don't remember the last time I did these, but I don't even remember driving that much to have the pads be so gone. Like, that's crazy. What the?
Hop over there, knock over the other side.
For sure. That's fucking wild. Like, if you can see, I could literally put my nail in here.
Pop your hood really quick.
Yeah.